Hi everyone, my name is Deven Chaudhary. I secured 605 marks out of 720 in NEET 2021 with an All India rank of 16,674. In all the three subjects, my individual score were in physics 109, in chemistry 146, and in biology 350 out of 360. This was my second attempt, and in my first attempt in NEET 2020, I scored 484 marks out of 720, in which my biology score was 292. There was a huge increase in my score of biology from 292 to 350. In biology, concept matters more than reading. If you're stuck, biology is more than a conceptual subject rather than just reading it. If you're stuck at a question in biology and if you're gone through the concepts very well, you can just go through the concepts in your mind and you can tackle the question easily. But you have just read the lines of NCERT and did not understand the concept, the question becomes a bit more difficult for you to understand. For biology, I preferred only for online coaching rather than offline coaching, but offline coaching were not available due to the corona pandemic. Online there are many teachers on YouTube for teaching who have taught biology whole syllabus, but I prefer Dr. Sachin Kapoor because in biology experience matter more than a good teacher. You must have a very good experience of teaching the biology text for many years, and as Dr. Sachin Kapoor has an experience of 15 plus years of teaching the same book of NCERT for many years, he is the master of NCERT. Basically, my strategy for biology was that I used to set a daily timetable that in this time span I will study biology and this for physics and chemistry. For biology, I used to watch Dr. Sachin Kapoor's video lecture, take down the notes, mark the important points in NCERT. A very big advantage is that Dr. Sachin Kapoor has taught biology which include NCERT reading as well in his videos. He used to teach biology with keeping the NCERT PDF on the screen, so we get the visual learning as well as we feel the real time learning as well. Means the way we are studying, we have the same textbook in front of the screen as well as on our desk, so we can write the important questions or the important point one liners on the text as well in the side column given in the textbook. The advantage of studying with Dr. Sachin Kapoor is that if you have any doubt regarding any question or any concept or mechanism related to any part of biology, you can just contact with him on Telegram, or you can just send mail. You get the mail reply a bit late, means you can get it on the end of the day, but on Telegram your doubts are quickly solved. And this is the very big advantage of online with studying with Dr. Sachin Kapoor. He is the only teacher on the whole YouTube where I got almost my all the doubts cleared very quickly. After taking the notes, I used to go through the notes as well as NCERT multiple times. There is a funda and a fact as well. Your marks are more depend upon the number of revisions you do rather than solving all types of books or watching variety of lectures by all the teachers on the platform. After completing the whole syllabus of physics, chemistry and biology, and here comes the revision time. See, revision is very more important rather than completing the syllabus. If you did not revise 4 to 5 times or many times more than almost 10 to 12 times, you will not secure a good medical seat in this vast competition. See, there are almost 1 lakh aspirants are increasing every year because everyone are taking a drop. So to succeed in this very big competition, you must revise all the chapters very carefully. For physics, chemistry, my strategy were different, but for biology, I used to watch the one shot lectures provided by Dr. Sachin Kapoor. They are a time span of 1 to 1.5 or sometimes 2 hours, but by increasing the speed to 2x and 1.5x, I used to complete the chapter very quickly and with all the concepts. So by studying with Dr. Sachin Kapoor, you will come to know that he had predicted almost 85 plus questions out of 90 in biology in every year. But the very big advantage of having a good mentor and teacher like Dr. Sachin Kapoor is that he is having a very good and very big experience of 15 plus years of teaching. And in biology, as I have said, that experience matter more than a good teacher, a good or an average teacher, because in there is a very big chunk of biology syllabus in NEET, including 38 chapters, and by reading you must be knowing that there are many important liners or paragraph given in the NCERT. Here comes the experience, where an experienced teacher has definitely going to know that which part of the lesson is going to be in the exam, or a part of syllabus where questions are framed regularly from year to year. From the one shot lectures provided by Dr. Sachin Kapoor, I came to know that I have trusted a very good man for whole the year, and I am very confident in biology. My physics, chemistry were almost going up and down in the whole year, but it at last I secured 109 and 144, which is actually a decent score, but 350 out of 360 in biology. I thank Dr. Sachin Kapoor for providing a better content on YouTube, free, especially free for all the students, available on the online education. So students or the future NEET aspirants, I humbly tell you that please follow a single teacher. Many students have their own teachers on their YouTube from where they study, but my suggestion will always be that please follow Dr. Sachin Kapoor on YouTube. Follow him rigorously and trust him blindly, because I have also saw many teachers on YouTube, and at last I concluded that no, this is the right man I have trusted, and I will trust him till my NEET journey ends or till the exam. So all the very best. Keep hustling, keep studying. All the very best.